guys, what's up, the best show here? I know it's a bit dark. Sorry guys. I know it's a bit dark in here today until I've just turned on the light. I've got a parcel. Look what this is. Ooh, Stratford blue, huh? Oh, what the fuck is this? Weetabix, whatever. Open up this. Ooh. It's a Stratford blue thing. Interesting. Oh, I know what this is. This is a timetable thing, I think. What's inside? Oh, now that is cool. Okay. It's pretty cool. What's this? I'll just show you the front and the back. What is this here? Something to do with Stratford Blue. Oh, it's like a little map thing. That's quite cool. And here's the map. As you can see, here's the front, and then it's just plain white on the back. So yeah, quite neat. Now, let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.